Hey everyone, welcome back to another Merly on Time. I'm really excited today to be showing you a watch that I got from the Watchgang Wheel of Watches. It's actually a bit of a follow-up video from the previous one that I did because I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this watch for you. It is the Spinnaker Hunley limited edition watch. When I got it, the bezel was locked up pretty tight, but I was able to lubricate it with a bit of oil and I got it freed up. And so rather than return the watch, I'm going to keep it now. And it is really a really nice piece. I've had my eye on it for quite a bit through Watchgang, through their Wheel of Watches, and I'll explain to you how that works as well. A lot of you probably already know, but this is a wonderful watch. I got it for $180 Canadian. The watch came up on the deal wheel, which I spun for $122 US. And I ended up landing on one of these Spinnakers that I really had my eye on for a while. It's a great watch. I think you're really going to enjoy this one. So let's turn the camera around and have a closer look at it. Okay guys, just before we get to the actual watch unboxing, please hit subscribe, please like the video. I do want to say a big thank you to David Schwartz. David has a watch channel and he is doing a giveaway. I don't know if the giveaway will be quite done by the time this video is uploaded, but as a part of the giveaway, he directed people to like and subscribe to up and coming watch channels. And so in the last couple of days, I've gotten like 15 new subscribers, and probably most of that is due to the kindness of David and the Schwartz Force. So David, thank you so much. Big shout out to you. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed and you do like these videos, you do like these watch reviews, please hit like, please subscribe. And thank you very much for your support. And thank you, David. You got to check out his channel. David puts together some awesome watch reviews, and he's gotten to a point now where he actually is getting pieces sent to him for review. He's grown his channel quite a bit, and he's done a great job of it. And I'll put a link in the description for where you can find David's channel. But David, thanks so much, man. Glad I joined the Schwartz Force. I didn't say that right. Schwartz Force. Your Schwartz is bigger than mine. Anyway, just wanted to get that out there. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so let's turn the camera around and have a look at this Spinnaker. So here it is, the Spinnaker Hunley. Came inside of this outer box, just a simple little cardboard box with the Spinnaker logo on it, and inside that housed this other nice thick cardboard box, I guess. Before we crack this open though, I'm going to be showing you what's on wrist. I have, this is just beautiful, Pagani design Turbilin, homage to a Rolex Milgauss. I'll be showing this next, a little more detail on my next review. Absolutely stunning, beautiful watch. Love this watch as well. I'll leave a link in the description where you can view this watch on the Spinnaker website. It's selling for $400 US. I bought it for $122 on the Watchgang wheel deal a few weeks back. This particular color that I got is gilt black, and it is currently sold out. It is a limited edition, so this particular color is sold out on the Spinnaker website. But you can see other models and colors. Hopefully they're not all sold out. I'm not sure. I didn't look at that. Came with the Spinnaker 2-year warranty. Watchgang didn't fill that out. Did have a nice cushion on top of the watch to protect the face. And here it is on this nice pillow as well. The Spinnaker Hunley. Oh my goodness. I am just thrilled to bits with this watch. So I'll go over the specifications quickly for you. It is 41.5 millimeters case diameter. It does have a 16 millimeter case thickness. The lug to lug is 47 millimeters, and the band is 22 millimeters wide at the lugs. You can see that it's all 316L stainless steel. I do particularly like the fact that this one is all brushed. It doesn't have any high polished finish on any of the stainless steel. It's all brushed. So I like that. Some of the high polish will be more susceptible to fingerprints and whatnot. You can see the high polish finish on that watch, but this is not. It is all brushed. I like that. It's got a nice milled clasp, and it does have the Spinnaker branding on the clasp there. Has security fold over lock and pushers to open and close it. Very nice. It has a screw down crown with the Spinnaker logo on the crown, and a beautiful screw down display case back, and there you can see the beautiful Seiko NH35 movement, and it does have some Spinnaker branding on the rotor as well. You can see that there, which is really nice. Some features of the watch. It has a really nice textured dial. Gilt black is this color. So you can see that there. It's really nice, nice textured dial. It's got a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating covering the dial, so that's really nice. I wasn't able to verify it on Spinnaker, but another reviewer did say that the case back is sapphire as well, although I'm not 100% sure on that. But it is a nice display case back. It has 200 meters of water resistance, which is aided by the screw down case back, and as well as this screw down crown. The crown is really, really nice. The nicest crown that I have had, screw down crown on a watch to date. Two distinct pulls of the crown. Once you get it to the second position, you can see that the second hand stops, so it does have hacking, and you can synchronize this to your phone or whatever other time, watch, phone, whatever other device you want. When it's pulled out to the first position, counterclockwise, we'll change the date at the 3 o'clock date wheel, which is really nice as well. The date is nicely centered inside of the square there on the date wheel. Really nice, distinct clicks of that as well, and it screws in quite nicely as well. Really nice crown. Oh, I should mention, once the crown is unthreaded, to wind the movement, you just turn it clockwise as well. Or you could just shake it, but you can turn the crown clockwise to wind it. Really nice action in threading this back in. It's very quite nice. Just get you a little bit of a close-up shot of the dial. I think this watch takes some inspiration from a few different sources. Beautiful large numerals around the dial. I like the fact that at the 3 o'clock, that date wheel is bordered by, some gold or yellow trim, matching the trimming around the hour, minute, and second hand. So that's nice. I think this watch takes some inspiration from a few different sources. I think the numerals look very similar to the Tag Heuer Autavia. You can see that. The difference between that and the Tag Heuer Autavia is the Tag has the date at the 6 o'clock, whereas this has the date at the 3 o'clock. And obviously, for those of you that can recognize it, it also takes the hour, minute, and second hand, the inspiration from a Rolex watch, Submariner, other Rolex watches, Mercedes hour hand there. And so it takes inspiration from that, obviously, as well. And I think based on the Seiko Sports 5 watch that I have, that I did review on this channel, the case as well, just the shape and the lug to lug width on it, probably takes some inspiration from Seiko in that regard. Really just an excellent watch overall. Very, very, very pleased and happy with this one. And everything on this watch looms. It has some remarkable, amazing lume on this watch. I'll give you a lume shot of it now before showing it to you on my wrist. So check out this lume, guys. I'll just charge it up a little bit here again for you. The lume on this thing is absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at that. Everything lights up. You can read this very, very easily in the evening. It lasts a long, long time, half an hour plus. It's just fantastic, and everything looms up. Everything around the bezel. The bezel itself, according to the Spinnaker website, is a glass bezel, by the way. But you can see just how nice and bright everything kind of looms up. Let me charge it one more time for you, and you can just see just amazing, very bright, luminous markers on the entire watch. Absolutely wonderful. I'll give you the wrist shot now, and then I'll conclude. And so here it is on wrist, and again I have a 7.5 inch wrist for your reference. I had to remove 2 links in order for this to fit. The clasp itself does have micro adjustments, 3 micro adjust spots on the clasp, so you can get a pretty decent fit with this. And I am absolutely, this is in the top tier of the watches that I own. I absolutely love this watch. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you think. Put a comment in the video and let me know what you guys think of this one. Spinnaker Hunley limited edition. So that's the Spinnaker Hunley limited edition. I got 142 out of 300. I think it's just pretty cool that I've got a watch that very few other people have. Doesn't make the watch more valuable, but it does make the watch more rare, and I'm kind of into that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please, once again, like and subscribe if you want to. Support the channel in that regard. Thanks again to my bud, David Schwartz, for just what he does in order to make this watch community so much better. Thanks, David. Once again, when you go out, make sure you have a great looking piece on your wrist. Loving this Spinnaker Hunley. And make sure that wherever you're going, you get there on time. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.